morning. We need to find the complex number z which satisfy the condition mod of z minus 2 plus 2 iota equal to 1 and has least absolute value, right? So this condition is given to us, and we know that if z is any complex number with its modulus equal to 1, then this z is written as e the power iota theta. Please note this remark, and I'm going to use this remark over here. This is also a complex number and its modulus is equal to 1, so I can write this complex number as e the power iota theta, which in turn can be written as cos of theta plus iota sine of theta, where theta is any real number, right? Taking negative 2 and plus 2 iota to the other side, we get cos of theta plus iota sine of theta plus 2 minus 2 iota. Collecting the real parts together and the imaginary part together, taking mod on both the sides, and then further this can be written as square of the real part plus square of the imaginary part under the root, right? Let's simplify this further. So this is, from here I'm getting cos square theta, and from here I'm getting sine square theta, that is equal to 1, plus this is 4, and from here also I'm getting 4, so that is 8, plus from here I'm getting 4 cos of theta, and from here I'm getting negative 4 sine of theta under the root, which is further equal to 9 plus 4 into cos of theta minus sine of theta. Now here I'm having cos theta minus sine of theta in the bracket. What if I multiply this with square root 2 and divide this by square root 2? Multiplying this 4 with square root 2 and taking this 1 over square root 2 inside the bracket. So we get mod of z is equal to square root of 9 plus 4 square root 2, and here we are having cos theta into 1 over root 2 minus sine of theta into 1 over root 2. Yes, fine. Okay. So this square root is 9 plus 4 square root 2, and 1 over root 2 is, yes, cos of pi by 4. And it is also equal to sine of pi by 4. So I'm using this. So this is cos of pi by 4 minus sine of theta into sine of pi by 4. So this is equal to square root of 9 plus 4 root 2. Now using the formula here, cos A cos B minus sine A sine B is what? Cos of A plus B. So it is cos of theta plus pi by 4. So mod of z is equal to 9 plus 4 square root 2 cos of theta plus pi by 4. Now when this mod of z will be least? If cos of theta plus pi by 4 is least, right? So mod of z will be least if cos of theta plus pi by 4 is least. If cos of theta plus pi by 4 is equal to negative 1. Now in the second quadrant, cosine is negative, right? And its least value is negative 1, that is at pi. So the least value of cos of this angle is negative 1, where this angle is equal to pi. That is cos of theta plus pi by 4 should be equal to negative 1, and negative 1 is cos of pi, right? So this implies theta plus pi by 4 is equal to pi. So from here we get theta to be as pi minus pi by 4, that is 3 pi by 4, right? So putting this value back to the complex number, the least value of mod of z is, yes, If I put theta equal to 3 pi by 4 over here, what I get? It becomes cos of pi, that is -1. So mod of z becomes 9 minus 4 square root to the power 1 over 2. And the complex number z is equal to, from here, it is cos of pi by 4 plus iota sine of pi by 4 plus 2 minus 2 iota. Cos of pi by 4 is 1 over root 2. Sine of pi by 4 is also 1 over root 2. So writing the value of z, 1 over root 2 plus iota 1 over root 2 plus 2 minus 2 iota, that is equal to 2 plus 1 over root 2 plus iota 1 over root 2 minus 2. And this is your required complex number. Thank you.